How to reset all settings on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. From the list of options, select Reset All Settings. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will restart and all system settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, wallpaper settings, keyboard dictionary, privacy settings, and network settings will be reset to their default values. Don't worry, this process does not delete your photos, videos, apps, messages, or other personal data. It only resets your device settings. And that's it. You've successfully reset all settings on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.